Hi, my name is Baloloy Nestor Martinez, 36 years old of age, and a married person. I have two kids, a girl and a boy, and I'm the third son of my parents, and I have a work experience being a houseboy for almost 3 years. I have started January 14, 2019 up to December 14, 2022. And being a driver, I started on January this year up to present. And I want to work in Hong Kong as a helper because I love to take good care of elderly and even pets like dogs, small dogs, and big dogs, even cats. And I also want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary, because I need it for for my kids.
Okay, thank you.